Hello everyone, Ragi cookies. Here's a simple recipe to make ragi, that is finger millet cookies. Ingredients: 1 cup ragi flour, half cup whole wheat flour, half cup unsalted butter softened, half cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, that is optional, a pinch of salt, 2-3 tablespoons milk as needed, chopped nuts to garnish, optional. Instructions. Number 1. Preheat oven. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a bowl, sift together ragi flour, whole wheat flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. If you are using cardamom powder, add it to the mixture and combine well. Number 3. Cream butter and sugar. In another bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. Number 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until well combined. If the mixture is too dry, add a little milk to form a smooth dough. Be cautious not to add too much milk. You want a firm, pliable dough. Number 5. Shape the dough. Take small portions of the dough and shape them into small round cookies. You can use cookie cutters for different shapes if you prefer. Number 6. Bake. Place the shaped cookies on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Leave some space between each cookie. If desired, garnish the cookies with chopped nuts. Number 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes or until the edges of the cookies are golden brown. Number 8. Cool. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking tray for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Number 9. Enjoy. Once the ragi cookies are completely cooled, they are ready to be enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee. Feel free to adjust the sweetness and add-ins according to your preference. Enjoy your homemade ragi cookies. Thank you.